I believe that the best things happen when a great developer such as Shoma meet and work with a world-class firm committed to pushing the boundaries of interior design. Shoma Bay, the new project that we're working with, the inspiration comes from the new vibe and evolution of the Miami lifestyle. North Bay Village is an upcoming neighborhood surrounded by water and a unique location. At Adriana Hoyos Design Studio, with more than 25 years in this industry, we bring more than just great ideas. We create and deliver unique and beautiful spaces to enjoy life. Masoud and Stephanie's trust, openness, and support of our ideas have been the key to success of this partnership. The interior design concept was developed to serve the needs and expectations of the new future residents who are looking for luxury living, social and community engagement, work remotely, wellness, active life, outdoor living, and pet-loving environments. The materials selected for Shoma Bay have an understated elegance present in the delicate textures, muted tones, and accents that bring color and a great feel to the project. We have curated all materials to ensure high quality, durability, and performance, but also to create a timeless design that residents will be comfortable living in. For Shoma Bay, we have created functional, comfortable, and sophisticated spaces. We have selected furniture that complements the design, style, and purpose of each of the areas of the project. The furniture layouts are designed to create spaces that enhance social and community living among residents. There are exclusive areas like the owner's lounge or the wine club that have elegant and enjoyable furniture with exclusive fabrics and beautiful colors. We have focused on creating a new building with excellent amenities that not only meet the demand of modern life but also offer an elegant living experience for residents. Out of all the amenities, my favorite amenity is the Zen Garden. It's a unique, beautiful space to relax, play, meditate, and enjoy nature. Built on the terrace on the 11th floor, the Zen Garden enhances the beauty and elegance of the building and also has a calming effect in the mind and body. I'm sure you know Pebbles, a beautiful and loving puppy that inspired us to create an Annecy Pet Spa. Perfect place for grooming and spoiling your pet. Shoma Bay has the potential of being a landmark in Miami, one that stands out in both innovative design and luxury. We have enjoyed designing this project, and I hope to see you loving your new home.